Hey everyone, let's start today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So last 2 days I didn't upload any videos. You can see my streak also. It again started from one, so I solved this question today. As I was not well, I will try to upload that videos maybe in next 2 days. Okay, let's solve this question. The question is maximum number of fish in a grid. You are given a zero index 2D matrix grid of size m cross n, where r, c represents a land cell if grid of rc is 0, or a water cell containing grid of rc is a fish. Okay, if grid of c is greater than 0. Okay, a fisher can start at any water cell c and can do the following operation any number of times. Catch all the fish at cell c or move to any adjacent water cell. We can do this any number of times. So return the maximum number of fish the fisher can catch if he choose his starting cell optimally, or 0 if no water cell exists. Okay. An adjacent cell of the cell RC is one of the cells are okay. You can see all the four direction. So for this cell, what are the adjacent cell? This 2, 4, 0 and 0. And this 0 means what? This is a land cell, and this 2 means it is a water cell with 2 fish. This is a water cell with 4 fish. So if we see this example, so this is what given in the grid, and the fisher can start, as here it is written, the fisher can start at any water cell r, c. So here the solution is, you can see, it started at 1 and 3, that is first row and third column. So it started at here and collected three fish, that is here you can see 3, as this is a water cell with 3 fish. Then it moved to the cell 2 comma 3, that is second row and third column is 4, and collected 4 fish. The answer is 7, because if we see this adjacent of this is 0 0. Okay, so we can go to land cell, as we have to what, catch the all fish at cell and move to any adjacent water cell. So here there was no adjacent and this was the optimal. You can start here, then you can move here, then only 2 and 1. Okay, you can start here 4 and move here, 4 plus 1 is 5. You can move, it's like adjacent, but here the value is 0 0. So you cannot move. Here you can see move to any adjacent water cell, but this is a land cell. Now if you see this example, if you start here, you cannot move to any adjacent cell as they are the land cell. Or here, if you start, same thing. So the answer is 1. So the fisher can start at cell 0 0 or 3 3 to collect a single fish. So how we will solve this question is we are going to use the depth first search. Okay, DFS, which can be okay. DFS, we can write a code for it using either stack or recursion. Okay, so here you can see we have to move the adjacent cells. So we will check if my adjacent, let's say I will start DFS from all the cells which are water cell. Let's say I can start from 2, I can start from 1, I can start from 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4. Okay, and from this I will move to its adjacent. Okay, and I will add that into my answer and check. And if they are water cell, okay, then only we will check it for answer, or we will not do anything with it, as here it is given move to any adjacent water cell. If it is a land, we have to just skip it. Okay, so let's solve. How we will solve is DFS using recursion. So first take length of this grid dot length int m is equal to grid of 0 dot length. Okay, we want int max is initially 0. Now what we are going to say, as I said, I will start from this point. Int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus for int j is equal to 0, j less than m, j plus plus, and here my max will be mat dot max. As we want to maximize, right, we'll call our DFS, which we are going to write, where we'll pass our grid I, j, n comma n. Okay, so in that function, first, which function? DFS. So here we have to return int void, not void, where void DFS int grid comma int I, int j, int n, int m. Okay, so what is the first thing we will write? If my I is greater than, okay, what we are going to write, if my any of the condition is wrong, that means if my I is less than 0, or my I is greater than n, or if my j is less than 0, or my j is greater than m, greater than or equal to m, because equal to n also not a case, or what, or my grid of I and j, if they are 0, then which what we have to do is we have to return here. Return what? Okay, so here what we will do, let's say we have int fish is equal to 0, where we are going to calculate. Here we'll return that fish. Okay, so the next thing, if it is a water cell, or let's say for this water adjacent cells is this up, left, right, and up, left, down, and right. So right, we will like what will be the column will be 2, and the sorry, row will be 2, column will be fifth, right, but five columns are not there. So here we will return just, okay, so these are all the conditions which any of this satisfies, then we will return, because all are like, you can say, instead of checking if I is greater than or equal to 0, and I is greater than I is less than n, instead of that I'm writing in a reverse way. So now we have to calculate, we have to move in all the directions. So DFS of, first what we will do, we will add, okay, add fish plus equal to what, our grid value. Why? Because as you can see, we can collect from this cell and then move to its adjacent. So here I'll, and we will make the grid of ij equal to 0. That means you can say visited, I visited this. Otherwise if you move here again, you are moving here, then no point, right? Grid comma I, let's say we are moving j plus 1, n comma m, and same thing, four directions, right? Yeah, so here it will be j minus 1, again what we will do here, I plus 1, and here we'll do I minus 1. Okay, and at the end we will return our fish. Okay, so here what we are doing is, okay, let's see, okay, cannot find symbol grid. Oh, okay, let's run again. So we used the DFS. Okay, here we have to return, right, return max. Yeah, you can say accepted. Let's submit this. If you want the solution, please let me know in the comment section. I will create a GitHub repository, and I will upload a daily solution in that one file for that day. For that question, I'll upload, and I'll add it in the description. If you want, let me know in the comment section. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated. Thank you so much.